T-bone accidents can be particularly devastating. This is because many of the safety features on our cars are designed to protect drivers and passengers from front and rear-end collisions, but not side impact collisions. For older cars without side airbags, there is little protection for the occupants from harm on impact. It's important to understand how liability is determined following a broadside accident, so you can pursue appropriate compensation. The driver of either vehicle may be at fault in a T-bone collision or side impact accident. Whether a motorist slams into the side of another vehicle or is struck broadside, the driver who fails to yield to the other who has the right-of-way will generally be found at fault for a T-bone accident. Determining who is at fault in a broadside collision requires a thorough investigation of the accident. Eyewitness accounts, pictures of the scene, and the official police report can help your legal team recreate the accident and identify the party or parties responsible for the crash. T-bone accidents occur when one vehicle is hit on the side by another car. This type of accident results in the vehicles forming a T formation. These crashes are sometimes called a side impact or broadside collision. They typically occur at intersections. If you have been hurt in a T-bone accident, you may be forced to deal with serious and lasting injuries. You may find that the medical expenses are piling up, all while you're unable to work to support yourself and your family. If the accident was not your fault, you shouldn't have to pay out of your own pocket for your expenses and the repair or replacement of your damaged property. You may be eligible to pursue compensation. If you have been injured in a side impact collision, you don't have to suffer alone. The board-certified personal injury lawyers of Fleming Law are here to help you seek the justice you deserve. Our Houston auto accident attorneys have over 30 years of experience helping clients in Texas who have been injured in collisions, including T-bone accidents. We know that the insurance companies are only looking out for their interests and their bottom line. We are only interested in pursuing the justice and fair compensation that you are owed by law. Don't wait until it's too late to file a claim. Call 832-529-4451 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free consultation.